So this is a field maintenance shop. It's organizational maintenance performed for the local units in the area, primarily the 42nd Division headquarters, stationed right here next door.
Some of the other really cool things about this building is its sustainability and resiliency features. On the roof and in a field out back, there's going to be solar panels. Those solar panels will generate enough power that it will exceed the requirements of the facility, and we'll be able to send some back to the grid.
There's big portions of this facility that are primarily powered by daylight. And I mean, we have tube lights coming through roofs and in our big maintenance bay.
There's a rainwater harvesting system. All the water that falls on that roof is going to get collected. This will be the first field maintenance shop that has any sort of LEED certification, despite the fact that it's technically required. Many facilities just have gotten a waiver, but here we've managed to go above and beyond and get LEED Gold. It's pretty awesome.